Hello everyone, and welcome back to Arts and Craft Kingdom. Today, I will show you how to draw this scary Among Us Imposter. I'm sure many of you have played this game before, so this should be a very fun experience. Grab some paper and markers, and let's get started. First, we need to decide where to place our character in the page. When you're ready, grab your marker and start drawing a line on the left side. And then a longer interrupted line on the right side. Just like this. Now, connect the bottom of the right interrupted line to the left line in a wide U shape, just like this. Draw this line starting from slightly above the end of the right line, just like this. Well done! We are now going to add a longer line on the left side, leaving a small gap between the line and the body, just like this. We will be adding another line on the left side, but this time we need to make sure to leave a bigger gap. To measure the gap, you can use your finger. This line will be shorter than the previous line and it will be slightly curved in. That's it. Now, connect this smaller line to the previous line. Do this for the bottom bit and the top bit, just like this. Moving on to the legs. Let's go back to our previous interrupted right line and continue the line by going down until you reach the same level of the left line. Moving on, let's now add two small horizontal lines both on the left and the right side. These will be our feet. Now let's go back to our legs and draw two lines going upwards, just like this. And closing the gap with a small curved line. When you're ready, we can move on by drawing our visor. I'm going to draw an oblong shape with curved edges, just like this. Draw a slightly curved line for the top, another one for the bottom, let's now close our shape in by adding two more lines, a smaller one on the left and the last one on the right. There we go. Using a thinner line, we can now draw an oval shape inside the oblong shape. Just like this. Well done everyone! Now it's time to design our imposter's hat. To create a scary look, I've decided to add a pumpkin hat, but if you want something different, feel free to decorate it as you wish. Find the center of the forehead using your finger and start drawing a zigzag line across it. Just like this. Keep going until you connect both sides of the head. Don't worry guys, you can take your time with it. No rush. Now we can continue with the pumpkin shape. Draw a curved line starting from the left side, going inwards, and repeat the same for the right side. Leave a small gap between these two lines. We will now close in the gap by adding two lines going in an oblique direction, left and up. Now connect these two small lines, going from one point to the other, just like this. Time to add some detail. Let's draw a V line at the top of the pumpkin. And let's move on by choosing the shape of our eyes. For mine, I've decided to use triangles, but you guys can choose any shape you prefer. 1 and 2. I think it looks very spooky already, don't you? Now it's time to color in our eyes using our black marker. Well done! Now let's place some lines across the pumpkin to make it look even more realistic. One end to the other end. Just like this. And that's it! We are now ready to color in our scary Among Us Imposter. I will be using these colors, but you guys can choose any color you prefer. Let's start with our pumpkin. I'm using green for the top bit. And orange for the rest. Remember to take your time with it, guys. No rush. the visor really look like glass, I've decided to add light blue, and I've decided to leave a white bit so it looks really glossy and shiny. Time to color the body. For this one, I'm choosing the color yellow. I'm really excited to see what colors you guys have chosen. Take your time with it. There's no rush. Well done. Now, using a darker shade of the color you chose, add some shades around the lines. This way you will have a great 3D look. And that's it! We have now drawn our scary Among Us Imposter. I hope you guys had fun, and remember, as always, practice makes perfect. Now it's time for Let's Show Your Art. In this part of the episode, we show photos of all your amazing arts and crafts you have sent in. Today's art was sent in by Maisie. Wow, I love the colors you chose for the feathers of your parrot. He looks so sleepy and relaxed. Seems like he's really enjoying his time on his tree. Well done, Maisie. If you would like to send in your arts and crafts for us to show in one of our videos, then please send it to this email address. Make sure to like this video by pressing the thumbs up button and press the subscribe button below to be the first to watch new videos every week. Also, don't forget to tell your friends in school about Arts and Crafts Kingdom. And that's all we have time for today. See you soon!